Hello everyone, and check out the Cupjay Silicone Cupping Set for professional massage therapy at home. This 8-piece set features 4 different sizes made from high-quality medical-grade silicone. These transparent cups offer effective suction to relieve back pain and speed up muscle recovery. Use them to improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of cellulite through lymphatic drainage. Just 5 minutes of cupping provides the same healing benefits as a long, deep tissue massage. Simply apply your favorite massage oil and compress the cups to control the suction strength. Achieve healthy and younger-looking skin with this ancient treatment updated for modern self-care. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.